and I discovered this type of djembe drumming about 12 years ago. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It changed my life.
How did it change your life?
It was a lot to do with the community, the people, being accepted into a group of people who welcomed you, because that was actually the very first thing when I walked into a drum circle. The very first words were welcome, and I felt welcome, and that was inviting, and being accepted was very important.
If there's one thing you could tell the whole world about drumming, what would you like to tell them?
That no matter where you come from, your life, your spiritual beliefs, your background, your complete walk of life, everyone can drum. Every single person can, whether you have a musical background or a non-musical background. It's there. It's open for everyone. Everyone is welcome to play drums.
So it's just a very welcoming community.
Very welcoming community, and a very healthy community in general. You know, people look out for each other.
Yeah.
And when you connect with the music and with the rhythms, as you saw when we played our drum circle before, one thing happens. You see a lot of teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah? A lot of smiling. You don't see this. You see, it opens people up.
It's kind of a release. Musical.
Entirely a musical release, and that's from everyone, from small children right up to grandparents, everybody, and everyone in between. Yeah. Drumming's really cool. It's a great way to connect with people and to connect with ourselves. So yeah, that I find to be one of the most important aspects of what I do. If I can remember to do that one thing is to remember why I do this, I believe I will always be doing this.
What do you think is the secret to a meaningful life?
Being kind to yourself, first and foremost. I don't know if it's a secret, but it's just a lesson that I have learnt through a lot of hardship, a lot of challenging times in my life. If I am kind to myself and respectful to myself, I can therefore respect others. If I'm not respecting myself, how can I give out something that I do not possess?
Makes sense. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate it.
Play drums.